I'm Katie, founder and lead designer of Grayling, and I'm here with our weightless hoops. The easiest way to reshape them is to find something around the house that's a little smaller than your hoops, and if you're reshaping the round hoops, you want to look for something that's like cylinder shaped. So to reshape the large hoops, for example, a bottle of like mousse or hairspray would work. To reshape the medium hoops, I've got like a requisite hand sanitizer. Small hoops, tuba lip gloss. You want to find something that's smaller than the hoop because you're going to use your finger to remold it around it. So as an example, I'll show you how to do a medium hoops. So I'm going to open my hoops and hold the looped end down. I don't know if you can see that. I'm holding the looped end down against the bottle of hand sanitizer or whatever you want to use. I mean, you could, if you got a dowel lying around, that's great, but most of us don't have those at home. And then you just use your finger to smooth it around. So do you see how I've smoothed it around? Now the beauty of it is when you let go, it's going to spring back, or at least it should spring back a little. It depends on how much you've worn your hoops. But it should kind of spring back into shape. So if you've accidentally opened them like this and they become out of shape, let me just show you once again the correct way. Hold down the looped end and then use your other finger to kind of form them around this shape. And you may have to do it a few times, but they are much better than they were when I just kind of, had opened them up. So good little at-home trick you can use to reshape your hoops. Now, if you do the same to your diamonds on accident, you're gonna want to find something flat. But again, never open hoops this way. Open them this way, back and forth, like side to side, not this way. That's what causes misshaping. So when we make these hoops, we handcraft them out of 14 karat gold fill sterling silver or 14 karat rose gold fill wire. And we tumble them in steel shots so that they should be nice and firm and springy when you get them. So if you continue to open them the correct way, you should get a lot of life out of your hoops. If you're not already receiving our newsletter, I hope that you will subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. We are always here if you have questions. Our email is support@graylingjewelry.com. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.